sufficient to convince him that he has no place in this pack. As he is leaving, Lobo and Luna get together. She is a young wolf of low rank, so she won't be missed, and when it comes down to it, the clan of the coast will benefit from the desertion of some of its members. The escape is also biologically advantageous for her, because in the clan, she will not be allowed to have cubs for several years. The secondary female wolves act, at the very most, as nannies for the children of the alpha female. At least with Lobo, she can aspire for a better future. Since they have been together, Lobo has assumed a new role. Luna enjoys a freedom she never knew before, because her pack always subjected her to constant rules of inhibition and order. Now, everything is different. Lobo remembers where to find a meal to share with his new companion. He takes the female to it, as if he himself had hunted it down for her. In the language of the wolves, eating together, sharing the food as equals, has a profound meaning. Here, by the sea, they are forming a bond that can last their entire lives. For wolves, marriage is forever. But they must not lower their guard. Humans are everywhere, and the alpha leader of the clan of the coast could appear with his pack at any moment. They have to leave. For many moons, Lobo and Luna cross the mountains in search of a home in which to settle, a free territory without the marks of other wolves, until they find a valley that seems perfect. A land of opportunities. Monogamy is the rule of the species, fidelity, one of its weapons. Unlike other carnivores, the wolves are generally very tender with their partners during courtship. Lobo must get her to accept him, and so his tactics are perseverance and delicacy. Of two like this one cannot, for the time being, aspire to hunt down large prey. But luckily, one of the keys to the enormous ecological success of the wolves is that they can perfectly survive on small mammals. They are abundant and provide sufficient sustenance. In a short time, a new generation of each species begins to breathe in the air of this valley. New creatures with much to learn. But this year is not like others. A new sound can be heard. These young ones ones can now challenge the wind with their own howls, a cry that announces that a family of wolves lives here. Three tiny black cubs who are their parents' pride and joy. Lobo and Luna will take care of them, feeding them and teaching them the culture of the wolves. And someday they will be able to hunt large deer alongside their father. They will continue the legacy, and it will be up to them to ensure that in the future, these continue to be the Mountains of the Wolf.